So you may have just picked up your iPhone and you may not actually have a SIM card installed on your device to actually go ahead and make calls with. Now, I will tell you there are some really cool applications you can basically use to go ahead and make free calls from your particular iPhone. I'm going to start off with my favorite application that I typically use whenever I have to go and make any sort of free call from really any device. And that particular one is Google Voice. Google Voice is an application made by Google, and it allows you to go ahead and basically get a free phone number straight from Google. In order for you to actually go ahead and use it, it's super basic. You need a Google account. Sometimes they require you to use a phone number. I've seen some ways to kind of circumvent this. So you can try going through using a phone number if you want to, and then temporarily just disabling it. I think they just use it to two-factor authenticate it. And once you actually make the app and you go through in it, you can turn off any sort of connection it has with that phone number. So you can actually use it as a completely different one. You can use this phone number as your own phone number. It's a completely different phone number. It's unique to you. You can make calls with it. You can call people from the web browser too, not even just the application. And you can also receive text messages, voicemails. It's a really, really good one. And I'd recommend for you to start here because this is by far one of my favorite ones. If I had to go and recommend one, it really would be Google Voice. It is a beautiful application for sure. Now, another one that I've used a lot is basically called Text Free. This is one that I used quite a bit. It's probably one of my go-tos. I used to use this when I was way younger, and this is still one that I don't really use it anymore, but when I used to, I would use this application like crazy. This one is very similar to the other one I just mentioned, but this one allows you to go and text natively as well. So it is really cool. Again, this app has been around for many, many years now, and this was the one that I typically used. It's super cool. There's free unlimited calling and texting. There's advertisements and a lot of ways they try to push you into buying something. That's why I like Google Voice, because it's not so much addy like in your face. But this one is still very, very nice as well. There's obviously like a paid version you can go and get. And finally, we have Text Now. Text Now is very similar to Text Free. It's just like a phone service provider that's free that you can go and text and make calls over Wi-Fi and things like that. This is another one that's very cool. Again, would it be my go-to? Probably not, but it still is a pretty decent option for the average person out there as well. And this is one that I would recommend people to kind of check out too. So those are kind of the best free calling and texting applications. In this case, the best free calling applications that I'd recommend checking out, on your iPhone. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.